Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website mrmopper.com. I'm on a homepage and I really love the website colors. I love the colors on this picture are consistent with your font color, with your website theme color, with your logo, with the top bar. Absolutely perfect. I absolutely love the name as well. It's really catchy. You show your product in above the fold so people know right away what you're offering. Buy now button as well, very nicely organized and optimized for conversion. So this is brilliant. Why do I need this? So three key or even more elements and reasons why you need it by keeping the same professional color scheme as well. Absolutely fantastic. And how it works, really nicely organized, fantastic looking professional website. I wouldn't hesitate buying from it, that's for sure. Really nicely organized. So understand this is a mop and a bucket in one. So that's perfect. Why we do it? So you've got a picture of nicely customized van as well. And this is nice call to action. Order it today. So this is really nice. Clean up and free mop pads. Just make sure to specify if the bucket is included as well, because obviously it's customized mop, so make sure to specify it and a bucket so people don't have any confusion. When people have confusion, they usually hesitate from buying, so make sure to be as straightforward as possible. But it's a good deal if it's a genuine deal, so make sure not to have it all the time, because otherwise people will lose trust. People do check the website regularly and can pick up on those kind of inconsistencies. But you've got 30-day guarantee, free shipping. Okay, so this is like an offer you've got as well. But yeah, I still don't know if that's a bucket as well. I would assume that it is, but you have to clarify it. You have to be as straightforward with your offer as possible. Okay. Okay, the product page looks great as well. We've got loads of nice content that keeps people browsing, which is absolutely fantastic. So you've got professional email address. I would just hyperlink it for one-click contact. You've got phone number, which is absolutely perfect as well. Your social media links open in new tabs, which is excellent too. I'm going to check extra pages now. Your About Us page is really good. You explain why you created this business. I would add a little bit more personal information about who is behind the brand, who is the team. I would add a name and an image as well if that's something you're comfortable with. This is really great way to build trust and rapport. People like to know who they're buying from, and adding this kind of personal touch can further help you improve your sales. Your contact us page looks great. I'll just hyperlink this email address for a one-click contact as well. Your SEO is 51 out of 100, so it's definitely room for improvement. Your Google snippet is not defined yet, so make sure to work on that. Optimize your Google snippet. So this is meta title, meta description for the homepage, product page, and all extra pages. So make sure to define your meta title, meta description. This is the listing displayed in the search results. So it's important to optimize it with your defined content to really describe what you're offering, describe the benefits, and invite people to click your list. And you really want to drive traffic from Google. This is organic traffic that usually converts the best. Heading tags are not optimized. You've got H1, but you are missing the tags in the right order, so they need to be put in H1, H2, H3, H4, and then H5 and H6 as well. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you'd like more information about anything discussed in this critique, please book your free chat with a Shopify expert. It's a free 15-minute non-obligation chat available for everyone who got the free audit, so don't miss this opportunity to speak with Shopify expert and ask them any questions you might have. So book the free chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time, and I speak to you soon. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.